for the checkered forecast.
Hey, good morning. We've got drier conditions settling in now. Still a little bit of light snow there. Most of this is east of I-55. Even flurries just east of I-55. Most of the light snow falling is east of 57 into parts of now eastern Will, Kankakee, and Lake County there in northwest Indiana. Everybody else dry, mostly cloudy with decreasing clouds and that big clearing headed our way. We should see a decent amount of sunshine here this afternoon with cold temps. We are still falling temperature-wise. We're at 19 now at O'Hare. Still 15 in McHenry and DeKalb. Still 18 degrees in Waukegan, Bartlett, Aurora, and now Peru. Low 20s further south and southeast. You're still getting into that colder kind of section of air. And so we'll see these all drop off and then linger into the upper teens this afternoon. A little more snow on deck for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. Brett's here with your traffic. Hey, Brett. Remember, lingers into the early morning hours. So you've got some of the snow still. Chesterton, St. John, Valparaiso, Cedar Creek, all up and down basically I-57, at least in southern Cook County, all the way through Kankakee County, and as far back as I-55 near Wilmington, as well as Tinley Park, seeing some snow. Otherwise, this is it now for the snow. And as it moves out, we'll see dry conditions today. Mostly cloudy morning and a mostly sunny, it looks like, afternoon as we decrease some of this cloud cover here later today. Want to show you your forecast model. We've got some more snow on the way. Again, yesterday's snow, and we're still adding a little bit to it, but most people coming in around 3-4 inches of snow. So still in our range, but definitely on the low end of the range. You do get into some snow around here tomorrow late afternoon. Your morning looks fine for the commute. It looks cold tomorrow, but fine. By the afternoon hours, especially around 4 o'clock, sometime between about 4 and 6, this starts to roll into our western sections. Again, this is for your Friday. Might see a little rain mixing in our southern and southwestern sections at the onset. Should turn it to snow by your Friday night. And then we'll keep snow Friday night. This is 9 p.m. Still dealing with some of that snow overnight. This is midnight, and it does look actually a little bit more scattered for your Saturday, which is good news. But another 1 to 3 inches from Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. Temps anywhere from 16 to 26. Right now, it's between 20 and 22 in Chicago. Feels colder. Winds are out of the northwest up to almost 20 miles per hour. So your wind chill values are in the single digits in a lot of spots this morning. As cold as 2 degrees for a wind chill in Aurora. Feels like about 8 at O'Hare. No wind chill there at the lakefront, but it does feel like 10 degrees near Midway. As far as your air temps go this afternoon, they'll be a little lower, actually 18 degrees expected as we cool things off. West winds will be gusting to 30 miles per hour, so windy today. They settle a bit tonight. Still going to see sub-zero wind chills since our air temps are so cold overnight. 4 degrees for your low, 27 tomorrow, and 33 with some scattered snow on Saturday. Back to you. Light snow out there falling as well. Right now east of I-55 there. Let me get back to that. There we go. East of I-55 into northwest Indiana, still some light snow falling. If you're dry right now, you're dry for the remainder of the day. Still some cloud cover out there, but that big clearing is most of our weather for the afternoon, where we'll get into a lot of sunshine as quick as your early afternoon even. Here's your forecast model for later today. All is pretty calm and quiet. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow early afternoon, pretty quiet as well. We do have more cloud cover at that point. Can't rule out a couple of flurries tomorrow. This is paused around 10 or 11 a.m. Near that Wisconsin line. But any of the kind of snowfall really coming in doesn't arrive until your about 4 o'clock hour on your Friday. You start to work in a chance for some rain, snow at the start of this, and then mixing in more cold air to get this all over to snow by your Friday evening. This is about 7 o'clock Friday. We'll keep it overnight Friday. This is even midnight. You're still dealing with snow into the early parts of Saturday morning. Could pick up another 1 to 3 inches out of that scattered snow then through your Saturday afternoon and night. Temps are between 15 and 25. It's 19 at the lakefront and at O'Hare, 22 at Midway. All of these temps should fall back into the upper teens as well. Right now, you've got as cold as 15 in DeKalb at NIU and in McHenry. Northwest wind is coming in as high as about 15 miles per hour. It'll be up to 20 and gusting to 30 today, which obviously makes it feel colder. Your wind chill is 1 degree at NIU. Feels like 7 at O'Hare, 10 at the lakefront in Chicago. Aurora wind chill 4 degrees, Waukegan 7, Crystal Lake feels like 3. 18 this afternoon, so a little cooler even than where we're at right now, but mostly sunny by the afternoon. 27 tomorrow, 30